Hi friends, this is Bhavyanjali here to explain how we can find the roots. Here we can take an example x square plus 7x plus 12. We can observe that it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. You know this, we are having a formula to find the x value. Then x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. We are having a formula to find the roots. So we can here we can see that a value is equals to 1, b value is equals to 7, and then c value is equals to 12. In this formula now we have to substitute these values. X is equals to b value minus 7 plus or minus under root b square 7 square minus 4 of a value we can observe 1, c value 12 by 2 of a value 1. X is equals to minus 7 plus or minus under root 49 minus 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 12, 48. Whole 2. 2 ones are 2. X is equals to minus 7 plus or minus under root 1 by 2. X is equals to minus 7 plus or minus 1, root 1 we can write it as 1 because square root of 1 is 1 by 2. X is equals to, we can write plus or minus we are having, so we can write it as minus 7 plus 1 by 2 and x is equals to minus 7 minus 1 by 2. X is equals to minus 7 plus 1 minus 6 because the bigger value is having minus symbol. Minus 6 by 2, where x is equals to 2 ones are 2 3s are minus 3. X is equals to minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 because both are having same symbols and the highest number is having minus symbol, so we have to put it minus. Minus 8 by 2, 2 ones are 2 4s are. X is equals to minus 4. So we got the values as x is equals to minus 3 and or x is equals to minus 4. Now this value one of the value is alpha is equals to minus 3 and beta is equals to minus 4.
Explain how to find the roots of a quadratic equations. Come and give a big hand.
Hi friends, I am here to explain nature of the roots. For example, we can take the equation x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Here we have a formula b square minus 4ac to know the nature of the roots. So, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Here, a value is equals to 1. B value is equals to minus 7. And C value is equals to 12. We have to substitute these values in this equation. So, delta is equals to b square minus 7 square minus 4 into a value 1. Here C value is equals to 12. Delta is equals to minus 7 whole square is equals to 49 minus 4 into 1 is equals to 4. 4 into 12 is equals to 48. So here we got delta value as 1. we know that if delta is equals to 0, the roots are rational and equal. If the delta is more than 0, then the roots are rational and distinct. If the delta is less than 0, then the roots are irrational. So here delta is more than 0, then the roots are rational and distinct. Thank you.
Very good. See.
Hello friends, I am going to explain determinant of matrices.
Why you are writing?
5, 6, 7. Determinant of matrix. We can have a special formula for this. AD minus BC. Assume it as A, B, C, D. A is 2, B is 7 into 7 minus B is 5 into C is 6. 2 7s are 14. 5 6 are
For
30.
finding AD minus BC, what you have minus, no? So why you took equal? Yeah.
Sorry. Is equals to 16 minus 16 because it is lesser than 30.
Completed? Okay, then why you get hesitate here for finding? Okay, right. Thank you. Next, any other? Come forward. You can go to your place. Claps.